What is an example of a major car accident 2022? Info Ada. At-fault drivers and adequate insurance. Another unfortunate reality is that some at-fault drivers do not have or are not carrying enough insurance following a major accident. That means their insurance policy might not offer adequate coverage for compensating the victims of the car crash. If this is the case, insurance companies might allow victims to use their policy. These instances typically arise when there is no insurance policy coverage for the negligent driver. Negligent drivers have a minimum or inadequate insurance coverage. If victims have uninsured motorist coverage or sum through their policy, that means they could have a source of compensation if the at-fault driver does not have coverage. When at-fault drivers do not have the coverage victims need following an example of a major car accident, that does not mean compensation is not available. Instead of going after the at-fault driver's insurance company, attorneys can look at options, including recovery through the victim's insurance policy. Car accident injuries. In New York, there is a wide range of injuries that could result from a major car accident, including those leading to death. Some New York car accident injuries include abdominal or chest injuries, back injuries or paralysis, broken bones or fractures, burns, contusions or lacerations, neck injuries, traumatic brain injuries. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, car accidents account for some of the causes of severe personal injury that lead to hospitalizations in the country. Time limits for filing a New York traffic accident claim. According to New York's Civil Practice Law and Rules Section 214, victims of an example of a major car accident have 3 years to file an action. That rule is in place to ensure injured parties with property damage and personal injury claims can receive the much-needed and deserved compensation. That date of this statute starts on the date of the major accident. Therefore, victims must work with attorneys to file an action immediately. Failing to file within the time frame specified could lead to attorneys being barred from courts regarding filing an action. That is why you should act as soon as your injuries stabilize. Do not let a negligent motorist get away with causing you injuries or losses through an accident. You have a right to seek legal representation when taking legal action, either through an insurance claim or a lawsuit. Turn to Morley Law Firm for help seeking recovery for losses. When you work with our team at Morley Law Firm, we can help you pursue recoverable damages that are available. We handle major car accident cases involving car malfunction or defect, driver error, drunk driving accidents, highway defects, reckless or aggressive driving, pedestrian accidents, speeding, whiplash and other common car accident injuries. We thoroughly understand the long-term effects victims can suffer following a major car accident in New York. That is why our team makes it their goal to ensure victims pursue compensation for past and future economic losses. In addition to that coverage, we also fight on your behalf for the following recoverable damages: disfigurement, loss of consortium, loss of enjoyment of life, loss of wages or employment, medical bills, pain and suffering, permanent disabilities. If you suffer from injuries following a major car accident, we are available to help recover compensation that you deserve.